This is the Apple look-alike, GPS-capable smartwatch with all kinds of different connections that you can hook up, including some strange ones. I'm not sure what they are. Flashlight, of course, your sleep time, your heart rate measurements, all kinds of things. You also have on this one tons of different watch faces that you can access simply by twirling the dial. You've got all the different apps installed that you can display 3 different ways: as a text listing, as the Apple Cloud that you can roam around, the bubble, and in this little grid of 9 by 9, you've got last night's sleep time, you've got your step count information. All of these different things are available. You can set reminder times. You can get in here, sync it to your phone, and do everything from music playing all the way up to asking Siri or the Google Assistant for help. You got all your different sports modes: walking, running, and bicycling, that invoke GPS. You have a thermometer on this one that can measure your temperature, shown centigrade on the watch, but Fahrenheit, if you'd like, on the app. Blood oxygen. You've got all your exercising activity. Even Facebook is included on this one. So lots of different apps and options: fitness, health, GPS, all in a really nice little Apple look-alike package. It's called the i8 Pro. Check it out.